Most people get this wrong. They assume all finance apps are the same. But the surprising truth about Bola Finance is that it combines high-yield savings budgeting tools and crypto-friendly options all on one platform. Bola Finance is designed for users who want to manage their money efficiently without juggling multiple apps. One of the standout features is its easy-to-use interface. You can link bank accounts, track spending, and set up automated savings goals in minutes. This is ideal if you're trying to build an emergency fund or save for a specific goal like a vacation or a large purchase. Another notable feature is the interest on deposits. Bola offers competitive rates compared to traditional banks, which means your money can grow while sitting safely in your account. Some users report rates that are higher than most high-yield savings accounts, which makes it appealing for passive growth. The surprising truth is that Bola Finance also supports cryptocurrency features. You can invest in major cryptocurrencies directly through the app, making it a hybrid platform for both traditional finance and digital assets. However, this comes with the usual crypto risks, so it's important to invest wisely. Security is solid. Bola Finance uses encryption and two-factor authentication to protect accounts. Still, as with any online financial platform, you should be cautious with sensitive information and enable all security features. In conclusion, Bola Finance is perfect for anyone who wants an all-in-one financial platform that blends savings, budgeting, and crypto investing. It's user-friendly, modern, and flexible, but always remember that crypto investments carry risk. Subscribe for more honest reviews of finance apps and tips to grow, protect, and manage your money efficiently.